Welcome back. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at a self-care brand that tackles a wide range of skin concerns. Cody Barrett reports.
Center Yourself captures the essence of self-care as a priority and necessity. Owner Claudine Campbell-Bryan says she struggled over the years to come up with a lasting business idea. But once she started dabbling in soy wax candles.
In 2018 when I started out big. I did not, because all the times that I've been starting business, I was hesitant. But this time I said, no, the Lord gave me this business, I'm going to go in there full. So I imported 5,000 jars, I imported 1 ton of wax, because I know that this is no turning back for me.
She invested in herself using her credit card as a self-loan, which she slowly paid off. She perfected her skill and developed additional ones to branch off into other products.
I started making soaps because I find that it's a similar line of natural products. Oils, for example, soy wax makes candles. You can use soy wax in soap as well. And so I started making soaps, and then I moved into beard balm, beard oil, beard shampoo. I started off into body butters. So it just kept on going, and every product that I make, it tends to trump the other one.
Although sales from candles are seasonal, soaps are sold all year round, making up 60% of sales. That's because her soaps provide medicinal benefits for people with various skin problems. Her signature product, turmeric body butter and turmeric and lemon soap.
I'm not into all those fancy fair stuff. I want to make something that will actually work for everybody who uses it. Whether you're young or you're old, you have dry skin, you have issues with whatever eczema, rosacea, whatever it is, turmeric is good for that kind of skin condition.
Although the pandemic affected the business, 2020 was actually when she started seeing profits, and it resulted from one good gesture.
I gave somebody a package, and she lives in Florida. And she just went on Instagram and just spoke about it. And out of that, my hands were not able to make enough stuff, especially the body butter, to sell.
And she says she could not have done it alone. Her immediate family has been active in the production process, especially when demand ramped up, spending nights working overtime. And while exporting is still in its infant stages, international sales make up 30% of sales, but local takes the bulk. Currently, she operates from home, but expansion is in the pipeline.
I'm looking to employ some persons who are willing to help in the business, become partners in the business. I'm looking to open a little storefront. I don't want anything too big right now. I just want to make sure that persons are able to come and touch and feel what I have to offer. You know, I want people to come and try the products and see how it feels on their skin so that they have an experience before they buy it. And so we're looking at that right now. With all that is happening, it's a little challenging, but we're not taking our eyes off the price.
Cody Barrett, TVJ News.